Assalamualaikum and good day. Today we are already in the lecture 11, mean that we are in the week 11. Yeah, we will touch about the uh, quality of air in the inside room. Yeah, so let's check what we have in the slide. Yeah, we have here we will introduce introduction, local exhaust ventilation system, design consideration, and the last is energy recovery. Okay, let's go. The first one in the air quality, we will touch about the ventilating. Ventilating itself, in the HVAC system is a process of changing or replacing air in any space to provide high indoor air quality or fresh air. Ventilation includes both the exchange of air from and or the outside, as well as circulation of air within the building. So as we know, the quality air in the inside of building will be a control one system. We call that one is a ventilation. So in ventilation, we will cover not only in the occupants, a number of air supplying, but also the quality air itself. Yeah. Ventilation is used to remove unpleasant smells and excessive moisture. So, as mentioned in the slide, we will control the smell also. We try to avoid the odor or something, a bad smell from the building or from the outside. We'll control like the pollution itself. From the outside, we try to filter and then we supply in the room or building. So we cut off from the unwanted from the outside, like the particle, and also we control the moisturizing inside of the building. Ventilating is one of the most important factors for maintaining acceptable indoor air quality in a building. So in general, ventilation is divided into three types, such as the first one is natural ventilation, mechanical ventilation, and hybrid ventilation. Okay, we will go to elaborate what the meaning the natural ventilation itself. Is the use for of wind and air density differences to create airflow in the and through buildings. Natural ventilation is achieved via opening windows, doors, and some crack made below the ceiling. So whatever a flow through the inside the building, one consider the ventilation system. So in this case, natural ventilation, we use the differentiate of pressure from the inside and outside, and what happen, the flow will be occur inside of the building, then without any push or force from the mechanical work, like the fan. So we avoid about that part. So then we call this one under natural ventilation. Then other type of ventilation, mechanical ventilation or forced ventilation. Now, this system supplies the required airflow at a constant rate. Ventilation is supplied by forcing air through the ducting with the use of a fan. So, opposite with the natural ventilation, we can control the number of amounts air supplying, and then we control by time by time. So then we control also the amount, and then the duration time. So this one under the mechanical ventilation. So the opposite in the natural ventilation, this one is very difficult to control the air quality and also the number amount of the airflow inside. And also we cannot control the air quality such as humidity, and then filtering odor, smell, bad smell, something like that. And then other than that, we have hybrid ventilation type. Yeah, is the mix of natural and mechanical ventilation. Is used mechanical ventilation when the natural ventilation flow rate is too low. Okay, Atuli, this one is a combination, yeah, within the natural ventilation. Then we try to, some part will be influenced by the mechanical work like the fan, yeah. So then we can control the flow rate, yeah, in the certain part. Okay, air force ventilation system can be categorized, yeah, into three modes. Yeah. The first one, displacement ventilation, and mixed air ventilation, and then the piston-based ventilation system. Okay, we will touch first the displacement ventilation. Yeah. So what is the displacement ventilation? Air is supplied at a low velocity, very close to the floor, while excited the room closer the ceiling above occupied zone. Yeah. So